y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it has definitely been a while, but welcome back. So as y'all can see, I am doing a fashion video today, and I'm gonna be taking this little two-piece suit and I am going to transition it into something else. So this is a thrift flip, and if you haven't heard of thrift flip, basically people take thrift clothes and they turn it into something else, something just like this. So that's exactly what it's gonna turn into. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep watching. So the very first step you're gonna do is you are going to have to find out what length do I want this skirt. So the length that I went for was my camel skirt. So the way that you do it, you're gonna find a skirt in your closet, and it's definitely gonna be one where you like the length of it and everything. And for this step, you're gonna need some pins and you're gonna need a fabric marker, just like those. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ruler and I'm going to place it as so, and I'm gonna add a pin right there, and I'm gonna draw a line. So basically this is gonna tell us where we're going to hem and cut the skirt. And so as you can see, I'm placing the pins right there. Okay, so now I'm going to take my seam gauge and I'm going to measure out where I'm going to hem my skirt. So this is where I'm going to be hemming, and this is going to show exactly where I'm going to cut it, because if you cut the skirt exactly where you have your pattern, you're not gonna be able to hem. But that's how it looks when you're done placing the pins on the red skirt. And so obviously after that, we're gonna cut out that extra piece, and the extra piece at the bottom, we're gonna use it as a top later on in the video. Okay, so the next step that I did is I pinned where I'm gonna hem my skirt, and I didn't get that on camera because clearly y'all see how raggedy that skirt looked at the end. So it took me forever pretty much in order to pin down where I'm gonna hem my skirt. So it was just a hot mess, y'all, so I couldn't get that. Okay, so y'all remember the top that I told y'all that we were going to use at the end of the video? Well, this is it. And so basically what I'm doing is I'm cutting off the extra fabric that was attached to it, and basically this is just gonna make it a little bit more neater than it was before. And sorry if I'm explaining this video in a very horrible way. This is my first video of me explaining how I sew things, so y'all gonna have to bear with me and just do not judge me, because we all learning, okay? Okay, so I was just flipping the top back and forth, trying to figure out what would be the front and the back. But I cut the shirt off camera because it was too wide, and right there, as y'all can see, I just cut it up in half just to get a smaller size to my measurements. And basically what I'm doing now is I'm pinning the sides so I'll be able to sew the top down pretty much. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this, and after that, clearly you're gonna sew that down. Okay, so when you're done, it should look a little something like this. So you guys, thank you for watching my video.